So we're starting with multi-directional squat thrusts.
2, 1.
Next we're in a plank and then Superman. Whew.
2, 1.
It's been a while since I've done these. Jumping jacks with squats.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I can't remember what's next. A downward dog, kick swing. So we're going to do one leg, next set we'll do the other leg.
2, 1.
Doesn't matter if you can't kick very high. Just push your whole body weight as far back as you can. Then we do the other leg.
3, 2, 1.
So whole body back, body weight forwards. Forwards. Next, what do we have? Oh, lunges back and forward.
1.
Same leg, working all the time. Probably a bit close to the camera. I'll just move. That's probably better. Same with the other leg. Whew. I was going to do this
2.
on a 50-10 timer, but I figured you wouldn't want to listen to my breathing by the end of the set. So I'm going to do 3 sets of this, and you're only going to see it once because I don't want you to listen to my breathing by the end. Okay, next, burpees, and we're done.
3, 2, 1.
I have awful foot positioning on a burpee. Try and keep your feet pointed forwards.